Here's some humanity and nature trivia. Subscribe. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Is it A, blue whale, B, sperm whale, C, African elephant, or D, giraffe? The correct answer is A, blue whale. Which gas do plants primarily absorb during photosynthesis? Is it A, nitrogen, B, methane, C, oxygen, carbon dioxide? The correct answer is D, carbon dioxide. What is the process called by which water vapor turns to liquid? Is it A, condensation, B, precipitation, C, sublimation, or D, evaporation? The correct answer is A, condensation. Which continent is known as the cradle of humanity? Is it A, Europe, B, Africa, C, Asia, or D, Australia? The correct answer is B, Africa. What phenomenon causes the seasons? Is it A, Earth's rotation, B, Earth's tilt, C, moon phases, or D, sun's distance? The correct answer is B, Earth's tilt. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Is it A, stems, B, roots, C, leaves, or D, flowers? The correct answer is C, leaves. What do you call the natural home of an animal? Is it A, sanctuary, B, ecosystem, C, territory, or D, habitat? The correct answer is D, habitat. What process describes the gradual transformation of land by the action of wind and water? Is it A, compaction, B, erosion, C, sedimentation, or D, weathering? The correct answer is B, erosion. What layer of Earth's atmosphere protects us from UV radiation? Is it A, thermosphere, B, troposphere, C, ozone layer, or D, stratosphere? The correct answer is C, ozone layer. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.